5 outings they had, and they came back well. In hot pursuit of 185, Milanta Magic took center stage, and Asif gave good support as well. He danced down the track, trusted the bounces.
Belongs to the left-hander.
Over 360 runs in the final is testament to the manner in which the game was played today. A good surface, and everyone was in with an opportunity. Kugaline struck to dismiss Milanta, and then Irie as well with a muted celebration, sending back Nisham, but it all came a little too late. And this was another piece of brilliance by Irie to get the better of Tripathi. But then came the winning moment. 2 runs towards deep backward square leg as Mayan Yadav hit the winning shot, and Janakpur bowls went celebrating for what is a historical evening for them and for Nepal cricket and season 1 of the